Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add the Adobe Acrobat extension in Google Chrome. This is incredibly useful if you frequently work with PDF files and want quick access to Adobe's powerful editing tools right from your browser. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open your web browser and navigate to chromewebstore.google.com. This is the official Chrome web store where you can find thousands of extensions to enhance your browsing experience. Once the page loads, you'll see a clean interface with various categories and featured extensions displayed on the homepage. Now look toward the top of the page where you'll find the search bar. Click on it and type in Adobe Acrobat. As you start typing, you might see some suggestions appear, but go ahead and complete your search. This will bring up the Adobe Acrobat extension along with any related results. From the search results, locate the official Adobe Acrobat extension. You'll recognize it by the Adobe branding, and typically it will show the Adobe logo. Once you've found it, click on Add to Chrome. This button is usually prominently displayed and lets Chrome know you want to install this particular extension. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. This is a security measure to make sure you really want to add this extension to your browser. Go ahead and click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. Chrome needs this confirmation before it can integrate any new tools into your browser. Now, you'll need to wait for a few seconds while the extension generates and installs. During this brief moment, Chrome is downloading the necessary files and configuring the extension to work seamlessly with your browser. You might see a small notification or progress indicator, so just be patient while this process completes. Once the installation is finished, you'll typically see a confirmation message, and the Adobe Acrobat icon should appear in your browser's extension area, usually in the top right corner near your address bar. You can now start using it to view, edit, and manage PDF files directly within Chrome without needing to download them first or open a separate application. And that's it. You've successfully added the Adobe Acrobat extension to Google Chrome, giving you instant access to powerful PDF tools whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.